If you have a Twitter account, you know how important it is to have a good profile picture and banner image on your profile. Not only it will make you look professional, but also it will help the visitors to get a brief understanding about you and what kind of tweets they're gonna get back if they follow you. And they might follow you as well. So to create a good banner image, you have two options. Either you have to create it by yourself with photo editing programs, or you can head over to blackmagic.so and sign in with your Twitter account. So I'm gonna sign in with my Twitter account and let's see what we're gonna get inside. You can set a progress bar around your profile picture according to your next goal, and Blackmagic will update them from the backend. Then with a real-time banner, you can easily set up a very cool banner image with the pictures of your recent followers, and it will be updated automatically every 1/20th second according to the free plan. So this is my Twitter profile after using Blackmagic, and as you can see, it's looking really cool. Well, if you have been impressed by my very cool banner image, you can follow me as well. So that is it for this video. If you like it, then leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then,
It sound right, boys.